Hello, my name is Park Jin-seo and my student number is 15. I'm gonna tell you about architect using PPT. Architect is a person who designs buildings. As an architect, it is good to have a habit of drawing architecture. Not only does it improve your space sense, you also learn and perceive much more than if you just look at your surroundings. And it's just a good habit to read art magazines between whiles. This lets architects sustain their sense of art. It's essential for them that they should relieve stress by doing their hobby, as their work is quite stressful. And someone who has this job has to be prudent and careful for both safety of the architecture and aesthetic. To become an architect, you should major in the Department of Construction Engineering. After you complete the Department of Construction Engineering, you have to build your career in an architectural firm. There are some qualifications that architects must have. You should basically have architect qualification and additionally craftsman, computer-aided architectural drawing, craftsman, computer-aided drawing in civil engineering, and engineering construction safety. Skills that you need are using AutoCAD, SketchUp, and 3D Studios proficiently. Working as an architect, you are able to gain a great deal of satisfaction if you are of decorating something and entertaining other people, so you can share happiness with other people. Plus, you might get famous. Architects have to satisfy their customers with the design of buildings. To complete building perfectly, they should be sensitive to such detailed things and artistic. Also, they'd be patient to endure physical exhaustion by process from preparation to completion. It is said architects don't make so much money on average, but an architect is not just a job of building, but a job of designing a building beautifully and entertaining customers by reflecting the needs of customers. I think the meaning of a true architect comes from the professional characteristics that bring happiness to people by creating resting places for them. There is nothing more valuable than giving happiness in the world. Thank you for listening my presentation.
Hi, my name is Jung Yong. My student number is 23. I will introduce aerospace developer to you. Aerospace developer are people who develop and maintain aircraft. Aerospace developer design various flying objects. Design the main body or system and electronic equipment of the aircraft, and oversees the aircraft manufacturing process. Qualification, skills, degree. It required graduating from aerospace department. Second, it required a license for aviation technician. Third, it required speaking English well. Fourth, it required to get air maintenance training. Fifth, it required clear communication skills. Sixth, it required smooth interpersonal relationships. Benefit of this job. First, you can see the spaceship. Second, you can build an aircraft. Third, you got a high salary. Personalities, interests, values. What kind of person would be interested in this career? First, the attitude of trying to learn new skills. This is because the technology used in aircraft continues to develop. Second, thinking. Logical thinking is needed to solve the problem. Third, accurate judgment. You need it to prepare for an accident. Finish. Aerospace developers are professions that do aircraft-related work. This job requires several licenses. This job must be curious and logical. You should also keep trying to learn. And this job has a high potential for development. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kim Joo-ho. My student number is 11, and I'm gonna introduce on astrophysics to you. An astrophysics is a person who does some astronomy, studying celestial bodies in relation to physics and chemistry. Common astronomers study celestial bodies and various astronomical phenomena such as planets, stars, and galaxies. The things that astrophysics do aren't so different from what astronomers do. First, I will show you my career. I'm graduated from Lightspace University, Los Angeles. In there, I've improved my scientific skills and grown up my knowledge. I'm now doing work like recording observation, getting the requirements of governments and check the simple or complex ones and report them to the company. If you are interested in astrophysics, you should check your talents. First, you should have an ability to understand. In order to study astrophysics, most physics theories must be penetrated, and you should have a deep insight of astronomy and physics. And you should check yourself whether you are interested in this job or not, because this is a hard way without your deep interest. For the requirements, studying astrophysics in earnest begins with graduate school. At university, you will study basic subjects such as astrophysics. However, from graduate school, you don't have to worry about the financial burden of studying at all. In Korea, as well as other developed countries, sufficient scholarships are provided to graduate students studying basic science majors such as physics. However, if you are not able to receive such a scholarship, it is better to give up your dream of becoming an astrophysics and find a different way. And it's most important to think about various things to develop creativity while reading a lot, because you have to have on the inside to your field. Work you do as an astrophysics can be separated into options. First, when you work in a laboratory or you are in a company, you record some observation of space, celestial bodies, and get the requirements of physics. Second, if you work in school as a professor or researcher, you usually keep studying or teach students. The job benefits is good society culture. Due to the wide range of research fields, most physics do not have tackles, and also there is actually no patent corruption, because in order to study astrophysics, most physics theory must be penetrated, and that means that you don't have to be bound to other colleges. And for the last part, you can meet many people come from different countries, cultures, and you can have cultural and scientific exchanges with them. I think that on astrophysics is a better job for the person who is more interested in finding values than who is interested in profits. Thank you.